Okay, good evening, everyone, once again, and Happy New Year. I am Nafisa. I am the owner or say founder of Basics to Bloom School of Excellence and Significance. And we are three people, I mean, all ladies who are coming together and doing this work. So I'm the face of that, and they are doing all the back end work. Apart from that, I believe we human beings are all born to shine. That is what tagline I love the most, and I've taken this from one of my favorite quotes, said by Dr. APJ sir. Like, if you want to burn like if you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. So, if we want to shine, then of course we have to burn, and that is where I merge the two things. So we are born to shine, and we have to show our efforts, right? We have to work hard to go on. So about the agenda is you'll come to know about me, about Basics to Blue, and the services that we provide. So basically, I'm a passionate microbiologist. I have got a decade of working experience in different pharmaceutical company. I started my career from Cipla, and still I am continuing, but I'm doing it as part time, and that too as right now due to the COVID situation, I am doing it via online. I'm just giving trainings, and I'm not doing any practical work. Otherwise, earlier I have to do the practical things, and I have to give them training over there, all technical things. So that was my job role, uh, post pre COVID, I mean pre lockdown thing. Apart from that, during this lockdown period, I started my podcasting also, which I am quite consistent. I love doing that. And microbiology, I am passionate, but yes, in podcast, I am not merging microbiology that much. I have just one episode where I have discussed how the microorganisms they also communicate the way we do. So it's a good, if you have time, you can. I'll share the link. You can listen to that episode. Apart from that, I focus more on different issues. I mean, different things like on mindfulness, and some soft skill things. So those are some of the parts that I go on with my podcasting topics are. And by the grace of God, 19 countries are listening to my podcast. And yes, if you want, you can go ahead with the advertisement for your products also in that. And apart from that, I have undergone many trainings. Like, I have undergone in-depth training on learner psychology, learning process, self-mastery, motivation, leadership, instructional design development through training modules, facilitation process, then different methodologies, delivering high-impact training programs, measuring transformation, NLP practitioner. I am an NLP practitioner as well, certified cognitive behavior therapist, as well as a POSH enabler as well. So these are a few of the certification that during the lockdown and prior to that I have, apart from my work and all, I have done these all sideline things as well, and I'm utilizing that in my freelance training. I give soft skill training. I have taken project for Capgemini. I give trainings to the people who are selected, like campus to corporate programs. I perform for them, and I give corporate trainings online as well as now offline also started. So I do it offline as well. Next week I have to travel to Nagpur to deliver a training to an engineering, some engineering manufacturing. They manufacture some engineering goods. There I have to deliver on communication skills. It's every month I have to go for 2 days on different topics. So that is what a project I got recently, and I'm happy to share that. So these type of things keep on coming and going. So that is what my job role right now, apart from microbiology and podcasting thing. Yeah, I am right now Hyderabad based. For last 8 years, I am staying here in Hyderabad. Basically, I'm from West Bengal, and you can contact me. These are my contact details. If you want, we can be connected via phone, via social media. These are the things. And yes, if you want to listen to my podcast, this is the link, anchor.fm, by the name of Basics to Blue. This is available in all type of major platforms, be it Apple Podcast, Google, then Breaker, Streeters. These are available on all the major Spotify. So you can listen to any of the apps, whichever you follow, you can listen, and you can share as well. You will get good content from there. And yeah, apart from that, the services that I offer is counseling. I give counseling as well. I give counseling for confidence building in students, as well as, the people who have joined and they have some rejection or fear factor. So I give counseling and coaching to them. I give training, as I told earlier, on soft skill, and of course mentoring on behavioral skills as well. I train people to write email, professional email, business email, and of course the motivating thing and transforming thing are part of the training program as well. And of course, if you want to advertise and promote your business via podcasting, that also the doors are open, so whoever feels like can contact me. And this is what services right now I have to offer. And yeah, that's all about me, and basics to bloom. So any question and answer, I mean, any questions for me?